Hi there friends, today I will make for you traditional Turkish coffee. First of all we need good quality coffee and we need for cooking coffee pot, seems like that. And finally we need for drink coffee cup. If everything's okay, let's get started. Firstly, put the water in the cup. 1 and 2. 2 cup is enough for 2 person. If you have 3 person, 3 cup. Then put the 1 spoon coffee in the coffee pot. By the way, I don't prefer sugar in the coffee, but if you like, you can add. Now mix with the spoon and then take the oven. Open the fire. After boiling, then close the fire. Put the coffee cup. Now it's time to drink. One for me, one for you. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoy my video, don't forget to like. Bon appétit!